Alright friends, in this lesson we focus on an important topic, text alignment. Tailwind CSS, we can align text to the left, center or right using simple utility classes. So the default alignment is to the left, but we can override it using text center or text right. Okay, so let's create a div, a container div. So inside the div, I open my p tag. I need long text, that's why I say lorem and then I click tab. Okay, let's save it and check it. You see my text appears. So to visualize the boundaries, a border class, I add a border class to the div. I say border, I give a color, border amber 400 for example. Okay, and then I give padding, I say P5 to create a space between the text and the border. Okay, so let's control it, let's check it. It appears like that. Super. So my text is too long. I need to see the difference. So that's why I delete this part. Alright. So let's check. Yes. You see the default alignment is to the left. So let's control it. For example, I come here and I use text center class, text center utility class. So it aligns the text to the center. If I use text right, it will come to the right. I use text right, it will come to the right. I save it and I refresh the page. You see it comes to the right. Okay, great. It's super easy with just a single class name, as you realize. See you in the next lesson.